आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामती सहचराः प्राणा शरीरं गृहम् पूजाते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधि स्थिति संचारः पदयो प्रदक्षिण विधि स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम् करचरण कृतं वा कार्यजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा पराधम् विहितम विहितम वा सर्वमेतस्मस्व जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। I welcome you all. We are very grateful to Uma ji and her team from Tao Academy for honoring us with this divine sacred code by Master Shah. So I will like to say something with the prayer that Master Shah has said. So I am a tarot reader. Someone is unmuted. Can you please mute yourself? So I am a tarot reader, and Sir introduced me and briefed me about it years ago when he learned this in 2012 or 13, I think. So whenever I start a reading, I pray to my cards. I always say, soul, body, and mind of my tarot cards, I honor you, I love you, I respect you, I bless you. And then I say, thank you for coming in my life, because they are the first thing that came to me. And then I say, whosoever, I'll just take a moment. Someone is not muted. Okay. And then I take a moment, and then I say the person who is sitting next to me for a reading. And I say, cards, so and so person is there. So please guide the person, advise him, and give the insights. So this is how I always start my reading with the tarot cards, and that is thank you to Master Shah for this. And yes, like what Mr. Gaur sir said, जभी भी शरीर में कोई दुख रहा होता है, so I always say, by mind, body, and soul of my elbow or my knee, please have the power to heal yourself. So that this has been a constant with me. So so today is a practice session of Divine Sacred Code, San San Jolyu Bayovu, and I call Umaji now. So please take over from here. Welcome, Umaji. Thank you.
Thank you, Himaji. Thank you so much. Welcome, everyone. I'm really honored and blessed to be with you again today. And I hope you all enjoyed practicing with the sacred code 3396815. I did see a few messages in the group about how a 4-year-old was so captivated by the sound and it really enthralled him. So this code, since it is from the divine realm, and children, because of their purity, they are able to connect with it very easily. So let us go into the practice straight away. Let's not waste any time. Today we will use the code first for a physical condition. Then we will use it to transform one emotion that may be challenging for us. Then we will also use it to transform a relationship that may be challenging. And then we will use it to connect with the divine, to help us to go on our spiritual journey. And finally, we will do it to open our soul language, that divine sound that is there within all of us, which it just comes out when you chant this mantra very fast. So we will do 5 practices. So we have an hour, so maybe 10 minutes per practice. So let's start first with the physical body. And when I say the physical body, it could be any part of your body, you know, shoulders, knees, back, leg, head, any part of the body. It could also be any organ. You know, you could be having hepatitis or any such organ, you know, the stomach. Or it could be an organ system. Could be the respiratory system, could be the excretory system, the immune system, any one system. Sometimes, you know, something as simple as losing hair, integumentary system. You focus on that and we receive blessings for that. So any system, or it could be for a condition. Diabetes, high blood pressure. So all these 4 would come under the nomenclature of physical body. So it could be a part of the body, an organ system, or a condition. So I give you, each one of you, a minute to just think of that part of the body, organ system, which is most challenging for you at this time. Okay, so let's think about that. It could be, and if you are absolutely fine, and I wish that is for everyone on the call, in which case we focus on our heart. If we are fine with everything else, then we focus on the heart. Okay, so you can make a request. You can think of that part of your body, organ system, or condition for which you require the healing. In which case, we will place one hand on our message center, that is your heart chakra, and the other palm you can place it in that part of your body. Okay, that's your body power. Mind power, we are going to visualize beautiful golden light radiating in that area of the body. Sound power,
do we have to use left or right hand?
No,
any hand we can use?
Either way.
Okay. Yes.
And if in between you want to switch hands, don't worry. You can.
Okay. Okay.
You can be very comfortable with it. That's called divine flexibility. Master Shah calls it divine flexibility. So depending upon your physical condition, you can switch hands, whatever is most comfortable for you. Okay. Sound power will be the mantra San San Jo Liu Ba Ya Wu. I'm sure each one of you have already by-hearted it, but I will just share the screen so that Kamudi, would you be able to share the screen?
Yes, yes, Master. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And as we are sitting, if possible, if you're sitting on a chair, I would request you to have both your feet flat on the floor with your heels touching one another. The heels are touching one another and the feet are in a V shape, the toes pointing outwards in a V shape, and the heels are touching one another. And keep your spine as erect as you can. You could feel the alignment, the 7 chakras in one straight line. So gently we tuck our chin a little so that the top of the head and the Mooladhara chakra are in straight alignment. So this is going to be a body position. Gently touch the tip of your tongue to the roof of your palate and release. Gently contract your anus slightly and release. And together you can repeat after me in your minds. Dear soul, mind and body of And now you make your request, whichever part of the body, organ system that you require healing for. I love you. You have the power to heal and rejuvenate yourself. Do a good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dear the mantra, San San Jo Yu Ba Ya Wu. I love you. I respect you, I honor you, I appreciate you. As I chant this mantra, could you please offer me a healing blessing to heal and rejuvenate and make a request? I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we chant San San Jo Yu Ba Ya Wu. 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 San San Jo Liu 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 Ba Ya Wu. Jo Liu Ba Ya Wu. San San 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 Jo Liu Ba Ya Wu. Ba Ya Wu. San San Jo Liu Ba Ya Wu. San San Jo Liu Ba Ya Wu. San San Jo Liu Ba Ya Wu. Reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable. Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable. Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable. Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable, Sunday reliable. Sanjali Baya Boo, 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 Sanjali Baya Boo. Sanjali Baya Boo, 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 Sanjali Baya Boo. Sanjali Baya Boo, 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 Sansan Jolyu 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 Baya Boo. Chant silently in your minds. Feel the light radiating in that part of the body where you asked for a healing blessing. And as you chant faster, feel the light vibrating faster and faster. It's becoming brighter and brighter. How, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, the source mantra, divine sacred code, San San Jyoti Vaya, and beyond great. Thank you. Gently rub your palms, massage your face, tap your body, and offer your greatest love to that part of your body for which to ask for the healing blessing. Thank you. We hardly did it for a few minutes. How did you feel? Yes, yes, wonderful. Okay, so now let's go on to move on to emotional body. As we all know, as per traditional Chinese medicine, there are 5 elements and each element is associated with one emotion. Okay, and in traditional Chinese medicine, the 5 elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Okay, so the wood element is associated with the liver. The main organ for the wood element is the liver, and this takes care of the unbalanced emotion of anger. How many of us don't get angry? All of us get angry? Yes? We all get angry. So the simplest thing is, when you get angry, bring your focus to your liver. Just put your palm on your liver as soon as you get angry and say, "Dear my liver, I love you." It's so simple. So the anger is associated with the liver, which is the wood element. Anxiety and depression is associated with the fire element, and the main organ is the heart. Okay. Worry is associated with the earth element, and the main organ is the spleen. Your spleen is the main organ for the earth element, which is associated with transforming the unbalanced emotion of worry. And today, in the pandemic situation, all of us are worried. We are always anxious, we are always worried. What will it be tomorrow? Even when a test is taken, then waiting for the report, we are worried. And then we feel, why my digestion is going for a toss? Why? It's because the spleen and the stomach are the main organs associated with worry. The 4th element is the metal element, and it is the lungs. And the emotion is sadness and grief. Grief and sadness are associated with the metal element, and the main organ is the lungs. Okay. And last and finally is fear, associated with our kidneys and a water element. It's simple to remember fear. When we were in school, teacher said, "Aaj test le rahi hu." Immediately everybody wanted to run to the loo. Right? So the water element associated with fear, and the kidneys are the main organs. So what we will do is, we will focus on one emotion that is most challenging for us. Right? You may be having grief. It could be anxiety, depression, or it could be, so if it is anxiety or depression, we'll focus on the heart. If it's anger, we'll focus on the liver. If it's worry, we'll focus on the spleen. That is just on the right side, adjacent to your stomach. It will be your spleen. For grief and sadness, we will focus on our lungs. And for fear, we will focus on our kidneys. So each one of you can choose whichever is the most unbalanced emotion for you. Okay. So having made your request, having chosen what you want to balance, you can focus on that organ, main organ, If it is anger, liver. Anxiety, depression, heart. Worry, spleen. Sorrow, grief, it's the lungs. And fear is the kidneys. So mind power, you'll be visualizing beautiful golden light in that organ of the body. Sound power will remain San San Jolyu Bayavu. Body power, one hand on your lower abdomen and the other palm in that organ of the body. Soul power, you can repeat after me. Dear soul, mind and body of the mantra San San Jolyu Bayavu, I love you. I honor you and I appreciate you. Could you please offer me a healing blessing to transform the unbalanced emotion of? And you can make a request, whichever it is, anger, anxiety, depression, worry, grief, sadness, or fear. Whichever is the unbalanced emotion, you can make a request for that. Hear the mantra San San Jolyu Bayavu. As I chant the mantra, could you please offer me a blessing to balance the unbalanced emotion of? I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's chant. San San Jolyu Bayavu. 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 Hemaji, I would like you to chant this time. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.
San San Jolyu Bayavu. 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 San San Jolyu Bayavu.
Out. you. Thank you. Thank you. The mantra, Sansan Jolibayabu. I'm so grateful for your service. Thank you so much. Gently rub your palms, massage your face, open your eyes. Okay.
Umaji, I have a question. So we have some organs are two, like kidney, we have two, lungs, we have two. So then we imagine we are touching both the lungs and both the kidneys because we are using only one hand.
That's okay.
One.
You can hold it this way.
Okay.
If your
No, I
lungs,
can't.
your kidneys, you can.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
not an issue. You have already addressed it.
Okay.
Yeah, so no
Okay.
problem.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Anybody, any questions? Or shall we move on to the next relationship? To heal a relationship?
For two emotions, we have to do twice.
Sorry?
Suppose we have fear as well as worry,
Okay.
then do we have to do twice again and again?
No, you can combine it. Dear the mantra, offer me a blessing to transform my unbalanced emotion of fear and worry.
Thank you.
आप एक मेरा प्रश्न है, आप हिंदी समझती हैं, हिंदी बोलती हैं?
जी मैं बोलती हूँ लेकिन मेरा इतना शुद्ध नहीं रहता है।
नहीं कोई बात नहीं,
बम्बईया हिंदी बोल देती हूँ मैं।
नहीं ठीक है, बम्बईया मैं भी बोलूंगा। ये जो आप जो प्रेयर शुरू करने से पहले और स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गन को एड्रेस करने से पहले जो बोलती हैं, स्टार्टिंग विद सो एंड सो ऑर्गन एंड आई लव यू, वो लिख के अगर थोड़ा सा आ सके तो पॉसिबल है ये?
जी हाँ।
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग के टाइम पे कि क्या बोलते हैं वो अगर लिख के आ जाए, नहीं तो हम तो भूल जाते हैं, एक बार ही बोला और फिर उसके बाद भूल जाते हैं क्या बोला था, अगली बार याद नहीं रहता।
स्क्रीन पे Kaumudi, do we have the screen for that, for the invocation? Otherwise we will share it in the group.
Yeah.
Group में
हाँ,
share
मतलब किसी तरीके से
जी
उसको so that people at my हाँ तो भूल जाते हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, it's just that it is that say hello greeting, तो we can modify it to our language, we can modify it to our
that's fine, we'd like to do as far as possible, we'd like to do correctly, accurately, and as prescribed by the master himself, and it is possible. It's a question of just memorizing it.
Yes. We'll share it in the group.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so now we'll move on to do this practice for a relationship. Any one relationship, it is a little challenging for us. Sometimes, sometimes with some people we have a 36 ka aakda. Whatever we do, we cannot compromise, we cannot reconcile, we are not able to agree. We agree to disagree. It comes to that at times. Yeah. So let's do a practice to heal that relationship. So in your mind's eye, you can call upon the soul, mind and body of that one person with whom you would like to have better relationship. Okay. And let's focus on people who are still here on Mother Earth. In fact, we can do this practice even for our transition people. Sometimes we may not have had good relationship with our parents, and as an afterthought we may feel, oh, maybe I should have been better, I should have done things better. We can definitely do that with them with a forgiveness practice. But here today for this practice, we will focus on somebody who is here on Mother Earth with us, somebody who is still alive. Okay, so let's request the soul, mind and body of, you can name the person and say, I love you. Could you please come and join me at this time? I would love to do a practice to heal the relationship between us. I'm so grateful for your presence. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Visualize that person being there in front of you. Now we connect with the mantra. Dear soul, mind and body of the mantra of the divine sacred code, San San Jolyu Bayavu. I love you. I honor you. I appreciate you. I bow down to you. As I chant this mantra, could you please offer a healing blessing to transform and heal my relationship with, and you can name the person. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And now you will visualize beautiful golden light in the message center, in the heart chakra of the person whom you have invited. And golden light vibrating in your own heart chakra, in your message center. And we chant together, San San Jo Yu Ba Ya Wu. 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 As you chant, visualize the light growing bigger and bigger, not just limited to your message center. As you chant, it is becoming bigger and enveloping your entire body and enveloping the body of the person you have invited. And as we proceed with the chanting, visualize the two joining together to become one beautiful golden light ball. And both of you envelop in that golden light ball. San San Jo Yu Ba Ya Wu. 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 Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, 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 Sansa Jolly Baya Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, 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 Sansa Jolly Baya Boo. Santa Jolly Bayabu, 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 San San Jolly Bayabu. San San Jo Yu Ba Ya Wu. 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 Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya Boo, Sansa Jolly Baya. Chant silently and feel the light vibrating between you, within you, around you, enveloping both of you in this beautiful golden light. ironing out all the differences. Feel the heart-to-heart, soul-to-soul connection happening between the two of you. San, san, jo, yu, vaya, san, san, jo, yu, vaya, san, san, jo, yu, vaya, san, san, jo, yu, vaya. Out, out, out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Your soul, mind and body off. The person whom we have invited, you can name the person. I'm so grateful to you for your coming and being here to do this practice. You may now respectfully return to your abode. Thank you so much for coming. Were you able to connect? Feel the presence of the person and have the connection. Feel the healing happening. Don't be surprised if you get a WhatsApp message later in the evening today from the person. Okay. So now let's, for the next practice, I would like everyone to unmute themselves so that we can hear each other chanting the mantra, because we would like to open our soul language. Okay. So we can all unmute ourselves when we do the practice of chanting the mantra. The invocation, you can chant along with me. You can repeat after me in your minds, and then we will unmute ourselves and chant together so that we can bring out our soul language.
And another request I would like to make, if people can switch on their videos so can Umaji can see everyone.
Oh,
That
sure.
will be wonderful. Yes. Thank you very much. I love you all. Yes, Umaji, we can
Wow,
start.
wonderful. So happy to see everyone. Thank you so much.
Mm.
Okay.
Please everyone, please unmute themselves. श्रीवास्तव जी आप अभी भी म्यूट पे हैं. उषा जी आप म्यूट पे हैं. राजकुमार जी.
Uma ji, I'm hospitalized for COVID.
Oh.
Who is that?
She's Usha Gupta ji.
Usha Gupta ji, you are in the hospital for COVID. Can we offer you a blessing?
We will offer you.
Before we close, we have Dao Hands practitioners on the call. All of us together will turn on our Dao Hands and offer you a blessing also.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So y'all can be unmuted. I'll do the invocation. Y'all can repeat in your minds. And then when we chant the mantra, all of us can chant aloud, so that as you chant faster and faster, your soul language will just come out. It can be any sound. Like
I'll be slightly muted because I can't speak much.
okay, no problem. Be
It will
comfortable
soon.
whatever you're doing. Be comfortable. Don't strain yourself too much. Be comfortable with the practice.
Yes.
Usha, get well soon.
Yeah, I'm improving.
Okay, so let's start. Repeat after me in your mind. Soul, mind and body. San San Jolyu Bayavu. I love you.
I love you.
I honor you and appreciate you.
I honor you and I appreciate you.
I sincerely and deeply seek forgiveness for any hurt or harm
hurt
that
and
I have
harm
caused
that I have caused
to any soul in this lifetime or any previous lifetime.
Any other lifetime.
I also seek forgiveness
I also seek forgiveness
on behalf of my ancestors
on behalf of my ancestors
for any hurt or harm that we have caused
any harm that we have caused
to any soul
to any soul
when we did not allow you
when we did not allow you
to move ahead on your soul journey.
Please repeat. Please repeat.
We seek forgiveness
We seek forgiveness
for all of our mistakes
all of
that we committed. And I offer each one of you
each one of you
my total unconditional forgiveness
my total unconditional forgiveness
for any time and every time
every time
cause any
every
harm
time
to me
because
or my ancestors,
all my ancestors
or you did anything that stopped me on my soul journey.
stop my journey.
I offer you my total unconditional forgiveness.
I offer you my total unconditional forgiveness.
Let us open our hearts and souls to one another
Our hearts and
Heart
souls.
and souls of everyone.
and move ahead on our soul journey. Hear the mantra. San San Jodi Vaya Vu. Please bless.
Please bless.
Open my heart and soul
Open the heart and soul.
to connect with the divine,
Connect with the divine.
connect with the higher realms,
To connect with the higher realms.
and to open
And to open
my soul
a
language.
soul language.
I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now we chant. San
San
a little faster now. Sanjolyo Baya Vu, 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 Sansanjolu
Bayavu,
Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu,
Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu, Sansanjolu Bayavu,
I'll give you a clue. This is like, you know, the aeroplane on the runway when it starts. If it has to take off, it has to lift its wheels up, right? In the same way, we need to let go of our attachment to the words. Don't hold on to the words Sansanjolu. The moment the speed increases, just let it go. And some sound from within will just come out. Because when you're chanting, don't chant from the throat. Let the sound come right from your first solar, from the Muladhara chakra. With a little practice, you'll be able to do it. So when it comes that way, it is just like the aeroplane. You just have to take off. Just leave those words. Don't get attached. San, san, jol, you. You'll reach a point when that san, san, jol, you, it's gone. The wheels just come up and then you're able to take off. So maybe a little more practice and you'll be able to do it. Just continue to do it. Okay? There were a couple of people I heard the soul language coming out. I could get the different frequency coming up over there. So with a little more practice, I'm sure. I think Hemaji said that she was able to do it. Hemaji, would you like to?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
You want me to show it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sansanjoliu Bayavu, 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 Sansanjoliu Bayavu.
Thank you. Thank you. Did you all feel the frequency change when she left the words and went into that different sound? Yeah. So that's what each one of us will feel when we do it. So maybe just a little practice. Each one needs a little. All of us are made differently. So it happens. It happens very fast. So please try and it will definitely happen. So any more questions?
Sadhna ji, you want to say something?
No.
Okay.
No.
Anaga ji, you want to say?
Yeah, namaste. Namaste, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
Anina here. I
Yes.
just wanted to ask you one thing. Since the Friday after our session, this mantra I have been chanting unknowingly. It has become part of my body, it is running back of my mind. And while working also, it was going on and on and on while I was doing work in my kitchen. So is it okay if it happens like that? Or I have to just sit and I have to do that?
It can happen. You can just continue. You can make a request because it's just happening. You can make a request as soon as you get up in the morning. That dear the mantra, as I chant during the day, offer me a blessing for what is most appropriate for me.
Yeah. Thank you very much. It is helping me. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Anyone else wants to say something or has a question? Okay.
Will you give me the healing?
Yes. Usha Gupta ji is here. Let me add spotlight. Yes, Usha ji.
Yes, I just wanted some healing.
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Sure. So on the call, 4 of us are here. I think 5 of us are here. Kaumudi, Amita Chakradev, Bharti Chakradev, and Rashmi Mukashi. So all 5 of us are Dow Hands healers. So we'll turn on our Dow Hands treasures. And as we offer Usha ji for her condition of COVID, is it COVID? Okay, for her condition of COVID. And the others can also make a request for any one physical condition for which you require a healing. Okay, so all of you all can make a request in your minds as we turn on our Dow Hands treasures. And
Umaji, who else are there? I can pin them.
Amita Chakradev, Bharti Chakradev.
Ek minute, just
Master Anaga is also there. Anaga Painter.
Okay.
Okay, Anaga Painter.
They have not started their video, so I cannot pin them.
Okay.
Okay. So Amita.
Anaga Painter is there, so you can pin her.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And the others are on the not on video, so they will be joining us.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So all the others can also make a request for any one physical condition for which you would require blessing. Blessings to Usha Gupta ji for the condition of COVID, and to all other participants on the call for their requests as appropriate. Dow Hands blessing starts. Yahi-yo, 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 Yahiyo, 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 Thank you. Gently open your eyes. Usha ji, how are you feeling?
Feeling better, very happy, healthy.
Good, wonderful, wonderful. You'll get well soon. Don't worry.
Thank
You'll
you.
be fine.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Can I ask a question?
Sure. Who's this?
I'm Padma.
Yeah.
I know somebody who's 83 years old, my aunt, suffering from neuritis. So it's a cancer therapy side effect for past 15 years. And now it's a pain somewhere here she has, and now it has become so acute that she's on morphine, and even with morphine, the pain is not under control. So can this help her?
Yes, certainly. The bell rang. Divine said yes.
That's my husband ringing the doorbell.
Yes, you can definitely try this.
So how do we connect? Shall I ask her to see this, or can you connect to her in some way?
Can you message me her name and
Yes,
I will offer her a blessing.
WhatsApp sessions today. Somehow I forgot to send her the link.
Okay.
After you were halfway through, I realized I had made a huge mistake.
It's okay.
It's Kamala Krishnan.
Kamala Krishnan. Okay. Yeah.
So I will send you her name, and then I would just like if something can be done, because it's a very desperate situation.
I will also send you, once you send me a message, I'll send you the link for the Love Peace Harmony song.
Okay.
So you can play that song wherever she's lying down. Next to her, let it play 24/7, so that, you know, she gets the healing and the vibration of it, and that will help her.
Okay.
I'll send you the link for the song. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Anybody else? Any questions? Otherwise, I hand over the mic to Hemaji.
So we will close the session with the closing mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu सह वीर्य करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।